afternoon student. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 2 Central Government Revision. First is the choose the correct answers. First one, the constitutional head of the union is the correct answer the president. Who is the real executive in the parliamentary type of the government? The correct answer is the prime minister. Who among the following decides whether the bills in the money bill or not? The correct answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. The fourth one, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the correct answer is Lok Sabha. And fifth one, the junior sittings of Indian Parliament for transacting legislative business are presided over by the President of India. Sixth one, what is the minimum age laid down for the candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is 25 years. The authority to alter the boundaries of state India rests with Parliament. Eighth one, under which article the President is vested with the power of proclaiming financial emergency? The correct answer, Article 360. Ninth one, the Chief Justice and other judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the correct answer, the President. A dispute between the states of India comes to Supreme Court under original jurisdiction. And 11th one, if you are elected as the President of India, which of the following decision can you take on your own? The first one, nominate the leader of your choice to the Council of Ministers. Ask for reconsideration of the bill passed by both the houses. And third one, select the person you like as Prime Minister. And fifth one, dismiss a Prime Minister who has the majority in the Lok Sabha. The correct answer, ask for reconsideration of the bill passed by both the houses. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash bill cannot be introduced in the Parliament without President approval. The correct answer is money. The second one, dash is the leader of the nation and chief spokesperson of the country. The correct answer, the Prime Minister. Dash is the ex-officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. The correct answer, the Vice President. The President generally nominates 2 members belonging to the dash community to the Lok Sabha. The correct answer, Anglo-Indian. Dash has the right to speak and to take part in the proceedings of the both houses of the Parliament. The correct answer, Attorney General. The Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up of the age of dash year 65. Seventh one, dash is the guardian of the Constitution. The correct answer is the Supreme Court. At the present, the Supreme Court consists of dash judges including the Chief Justice. The correct answer is 28. Choose the correct statement. The total members of the Rajya Sabha is 250. The 12 nominated members shall be chosen by the President from amongst persons experienced in the field of literature, science, art or social service. The members of the Rajya Sabha should not less than 30 years of the age. The members of the Rajya Sabha are directly elected by the people. So which and all correct answer? First one, second one and third are correct. And second one, the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up to the age of 62 years. Judiciary is the third organ of the government. The cases involving fundamental rights come under the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all court within the territory of India. The correct answers second and fourth are correct. And third one, the Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and it cannot be dissolved. The reason, 1/3 of the members of Rajya Sabha retired every 2 years and new members are elected to fill the seat thus vacated. So the both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. And next one, match the following. First one, Article 53, the correct answer, executive power of President. Article 63, the correct answer, office of the Vice President. Article 356, the correct answer, internal emergency. Article 76, the correct answer, office of the Attorney General. Article 352, the correct answer, state emergency. Next we are discuss about to answer the brief question. So the first one you want to read, how is President of India elected? So you have 2 points they given, you have thorough and that right. And second one, what are the different categories of the minister at the union level? So 3 important, they will be need the one minister. And third one, what is the qualification of the judges of the Supreme Court? One judge is selected from the Supreme Court. What is the qualification need for the judge? And write a note, short note under Speaker of Lok Sabha. So another, what is the qualification we need the Lok Sabha Speaker? And fifth one, what is the money bill? And sixth one, list out any 2 special powers of the Attorney General of India. So up to short answers, one words, you have thorough yourself. Thank you student.